Hi. Walking to Osaka Castle to see my prince and to see her prince. It's really cold. And I'm
Why
getting
does this
sick.
feel colder than
Korea? Yeah. But yeah, and then after that we're gonna go on Kase, which we're very excited for. But we are very sleep deprived as well.
Guys, welcome to our crib. We made it. We made it. We made it. Room tour next.
Yep. Welcome to my crib and TV. Hi, we just got back from Donkey and we just got like 7-Eleven creme brulee that I put everyone on. This is Bus.
This first time
with Ellie.
You don't have to warm it up or anything?
No, I think it's already. Wait, actually, it's pretty hard here. You just crack it like that.
Okay. 3, 2, 1. Okay, sick.
Is yours working?
It's so frozen.
Okay, fine. Let's try the grape first.
Okay.
Okay.
Chocolate covered shine muscat
From 7-Eleven.
Muscat. Great.
It smells like grape jelly.
I think that's
Which
it.
is what it is. Cheers. It's really chewy, which I really like.
Not
Like, it's
bad.
not just like jelly, like, you know, the soft ones. No, we're back. We're back with this. Mine's kind of like.
안녕하세요.
It's the darkest one.
안녕하세요.
안녕하세요.
조세피입니다. 3, 2, 1.
Mine's already cracked. Is yours? Let's try things like that. Cheers.
Oh, that yum.
Is it good? I think the crackly is good, and it's so sorry.
Not so sweet.
You're such a mom.
Wave after wave, wave after wave. Slow drifted and drifted away. Wave after wave, wave after wave. It's scary, huh?
Do you want crackers?
That you can go in and live with them.
Raise your yeah.
Our first takoyaki. What is it? Alright, I'm gonna Takoyaki.
Guys, if you saw us on the
Guys.
street,
We have like 20 minutes to walk to our hotel, and like
if you guys saw us on the street, would you guys think that would you guys think that we're cool, or would you guys think that we're weird?
I think like
Because low-key we'd be really loud.
yeah, we've been like really delirious, not gonna lie.
Oh, you here for my concert? Oh,
Yeah. Oh my god, can you show me like what?
My dance moves.
Yeah, go on.
Wave after wave, wave after wave, slowly drifting, waves in a wave, wave after wave.
That's what I have to deal with, you know. But right now we're going back to our comp, and we bought some like face mask, foot mask. I'm gonna take a bath because it's been like a really long journey. Like we spent the whole day traveling from Osaka to go to Nara to do the deers, and then after that we're in Kyoto now. So, but Kyoto low-key is 5, so she's picking a drink right now. Which one are you picking? There's no melon soda that you want. Oh, damn! Apparently this is like the best drink, but I haven't tried, so thank you for shouting.
Yes.
Everyone's gonna watch you now. Are you shouting me? She low-key rich though. She low-key be rich.
It's snowing.
It's snowing! Oh my god. There's like fluff dropping down. But you can't even see it.
That we walked.
I guess so.
Aren't you glad?
I've been drinking honey lemon every drink, every vending machine because like my throat is fucked. But yeah, I really want to try and venture into new drinks. Oh my gosh, I actually bought it for me. Cheers! Cheers! Wave after wave.
Oh my god, we got matching funny angels. We're gonna unbox them later. So delicious.
It's actually really yummy. It doesn't even taste artificial. Cheers!
Cheers! That sounded fake. Cheers! What are your real thoughts, huh?
It's very fizzy, and I don't really like fizzy drinks. I feel like I came back to Japan just for this drink. I thought you were gonna say I'm busting that.
Yeah, I'll bust it. I'll eat my left nut. Smash, 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 smash.
We decided to get Sunny Angels, and these are like the special edition ones on Valentine's Day. So there's like different ones here that you can get. I really want a secret one, which is really cute, or the mouse because it's colorful. What do you want? The elephant?
I want the elephant or the secret one. And then if I get the secret one, I'm not gonna swap with it too. Even if she gets the elephant.
Well,
I feel like I'm gonna get the secret one. I can feel it. I already manifested
it too. Wait. I hope you get the
Hey, that's the ugliest.
It's like, oh my god, am I meant to get bags?
A few moments later.
Yeah, okay. Wait. Are you gonna feel it? What's the...
Do you know what you got?
I feel like I got something with ears. If I get the fennec, I'm gonna kill myself.
I got a mouse!
What's this? The cat?
The cat. Cat, they're all pink.
Sonny drinking soda.
We're at Nishiki. Is it Nishiki?
Nishiki? I don't know actually.
This is the second
Have
time
butcher
they
day.
cancel us. The market, and then I got bluefin tuna, and I got just normal salmon sashimi. Should we go to the prices? Well, I paid like $12 for mine.
Mine was 12. Yeah. Oh, I thought it was 25.
No. I got a different color. That's why.
12 isn't too bad. Mine was $6 though.
Yum.
Cheers.
Yeah, she does. Oh my god, this is what I needed. This is so good. I love sashimi.
This is $16. Scallops, uni, and caviar.
Okay. Rate it. I feel like David Dobrik right now.
It's really fresh.
Before he got jacked. Yeah.
It's really fresh. I feel like I'm in the sea right now.
Are you? Do you feel really fishy?
Yeah, I'm on SpongeBob right now.
Are you SpongeBob?
I'm going to visit his house today.
We are on another adventure. Ellie, Tiffany. Huh? I don't know.
We got beef. We got beef. Yeah, we got beef between us right now.
Yeah.
4 slices of it.
You got beef sashimi.
Yeah.
Let's see it on top. So.
And then you can eat the crack at the end, and then we can be nara beers.
yeah.
Man. We're in winter wonderland. It actually feels like we're in a little snow globe right now. It feels like, yeah, someone's just shaking us off. Right now we're on the hunt for a plot of land to make snow angels in and just be cold. And yeah, it's such a good trip. And look at the snow, it's so pretty, it's falling down. So first time seeing snow as well. Very, so magical, yeah. Hold on, go. 3, 2, 1.